Hello and welcome to the course. Before we start to discuss the issues raised in this course, let's look at the concepts and terms we'll be using. What is race? Race is a social system that divides people into categories related to power and exploitation. Race is never innocent. It is differentiation for purposes of domination. What is racism? Racism is the use of power and policy to maintain and defend the system of race. It's an active process which locks groups into a wider social structure of exploitation. What is racialization? Racialization is a process that draws on physiological, cultural, and social markers to define races. Groups can be racialized downwardly or negatively, or upwardly, and the boundaries shift over time and space. What is anti-racism? Anti-racism is more than being not racist. It combines anti-racist views with action to dismantle racist systems, policies, behaviours, and beliefs. What is anti-blackness? Anti-blackness is racism directed specifically towards black people. It's rooted in the history of slavery and colonialism, which created racial hierarchies. It includes societal indifference to this form of racism. Why do words matter? Words convey our beliefs, values, and thoughts. Words have power to hurt, to support, to reinforce, to disrupt. Language reflects the world around us, and we can use it either to perpetuate systems of power or to undermine them. Why is racism a human rights issue? Racism denies the human rights of racialized communities. It's prohibited in all core international human rights treaties.